Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole, and today we're going to do our scratch off mania. Yes. So I have our scratch offs here, and I have this sheet here by Kimmy's Budgets, Bajan Girl Budgets on YouTube, and it is going to tell me how much we owe from last week when we scratched off, and then when we scratch off again today, we will put in our dollar amounts there. So we'll go ahead and get started. I have my money off to the side here. All right, so we did finish some challenges. So let's see. All right, so here we have Mischief Managed Budgets. This one is one of her card challenges. And let me pull out some of the cards. These ones are done, so these are still the ones that we have that are not done. And we owe that one $16. So then all together, we have saved 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, and $49. And then we'll go ahead and scratch off a couple. We'll see what we get. We still have quite a few cards left for this one. Oh my goodness, 15, holy crap. I want to do one more because we still have quite a few. And I need this for our band fees. And 12, holy crapola, okay. All right, so that is $27. Wow. Oh my goodness. All right. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 cards left. So let's hope those aren't too bad. Oh, cool. And then for our next challenge, I think, let's see. All right, we have Divine Savings Co. and Budget with Carly. Yes, this is, all right, so we owe $19 here. 10 and 19, so all together for our Sam's Club shopping, we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, and 87. And then we are going to do roll and saves. I have a D6 here. So we'll go ahead and we have 5. So let's see. We have a 5 and a 2. And then a 1 and a 2. And then we have a 5 and a 1. So we'll add that together for a 6. And let's see. That's 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, $16 to finish that up. So we'll say that that one is done. So that way next week we know that we need to come in and swap out that challenge. All right, and this next challenge is from my shop, and we owe it $12. So I know this is over 32 because we counted it last time and it was over 32. But we have 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, and $44. I think I had an additional challenge in with this one previously. So this one is going to go to our HOA dues. And then I'll put that back here. And we're going to replace it with this challenge here. This is a new one from my shop. This is my favorite Christmas movie. the Christmas vacation. So we'll go ahead and see where we can start. All right, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll do a couple. And this is amounts 1 through 7. So that's a 1. We'll go again. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that is 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is 11. All right, we'll do one more. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is 17. Awesome. And I am not sure where that's going to go. Wait. 12. 16, 17. Yeah, okay. Awesome. All right, and our next challenge is from Debt Free by 43. And we owe this one $15. And so altogether, so far, we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65. Awesome. All right, so we're going to go ahead and scratch a couple of these and see where we're at. 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Times 2. Oh, lordy. All right, I guess this is where our plus comes from. 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Woo! Got a 1. So times 2, that's 2. And then 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness. My sweatshirt is making everything all. All right, let's see what we have here. All right, so we have 2, 3, 7 is 10, 11, 12. Oh, we're gonna finish this one. I'm gonna finish this one. 16, heck yes. All right, that was $16. And that one is now done. Exciting. All right, and this one is from me as well. And this one is going to go to our garden. So we owe this one, let me put it up here. Oh, and it is done. So we owe this one $10. So altogether, this one has saved us $10, $20, $30, and $31. All right. And we're going to go ahead and put in this one as well from my shop. I love horror movies. I love Halloween. So this is perfect. It is The Boys of Winter. Cute. And let's go ahead and get started. And this one also saves 75. And I did forget to put the denominations on it, but it is 1 through 7 as well. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7. 1, 2. 8, 9. And 15. Let me do this again. 12, 13, 14, $15. Right. And our next set of challenges is from Debt Free by 43 and Spooky Budgets. So we're going to do our last 2 roll and saves and our last 2 scratchers, but we owe this one $17. And altogether so far, we have saved 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, and 93. Awesome. So we'll go ahead and scratch these 2 off really quick. We need a D4 and a D3, so that is 8, and then we have a 3 and a 2. So we have $5, $10, $13, and that one is completed. Awesome. And we have one going to band and the other one going to birthdays. Ooh, sorry, I bumped the tripod. I apologize. All right, so our next challenge is from Rainy Day April, and we owe this one $17. Oh my goodness, just throwing money everywhere. So altogether, we have saved 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, and 38 out of 45. So this one should be pretty low. So we have 2, 4 is 6, and $7. And that one finishes that one out. All right. That is $7, and we are done with that one. I honestly want to put in another one and do that, but we'll just keep it where it's at right now. And these challenges are from my shop as well, and we owe this one $16. So altogether, we have saved in this one 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, and $89. And these are both for health and beauty, so we can go ahead and awesome. I love finishing challenges. I feel so accomplished. We'll go ahead and put that one off to the side. Okay, and then we need a new challenge. So this one is from Beige and Girl Budgets. I don't know what it's gonna be like on this one. I got this in a Happy Mail from the challenge that I won on her community savings challenge. All right, we got a 1. I know some of her numbers can be kind of spicy. Oh, it's a rolling. Oh, a D6. I like that. That's cute. Okay. I was not expecting that, but that is cool. All right, we'll go ahead and a 2. Okay, so we're going to go again, of course. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A D8. Oh, I like this. Oh, this is so neat. I never even thought about doing a scratch off like this. All right, a D8. And we have 5, so that's only 7, so we can keep going. 6, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, and then we got a 5. Okay. That is 12. Let's go one more time. 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, and a 9. Okay, all right, that's not too bad. All right, so that's 10, 19, 20, 21. And then we have one more to go. All right, and this one is from Boss Bay Budgets, and I got this in my member mail for my birthday month. And it is going to save us $75, but we owe $16. And that is what we have saved so far, because this is new. So we're gonna go ahead and do a couple more scratches. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, we got a 6. All right, and then 1 will go this way, so that's 9. All right, so we're at 15. Now, the question is, do I want to go one more time? Let's see, we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, yeah, we'll go one more time. Screw it. We're at 15. It's probably going to bite me in the butt, but 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's a 4. Not too bad. So we got 19. That's all right. All right, we'll go ahead and write that down. Oh my goodness. All right, so that will be good for that one, and we'll have some new challenges coming in next week. And we'll go ahead and total up what we need to bring in for next week. Where is my calculator? All right, so we have this. All right, we need to find or bring in $151. That is awesome. But we finished 4 that we'll be able to complete next week. And then we also finished up 3 this week. So that is fantastic. I'm super happy about that. And let me go ahead and put in our money for our completed savings challenges. All right, since I have the little bit of extra money, we are going to do $3 coming into our finished savings challenge envelope. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.